Here's a look at this Mirdinner cabinet hardware right here. Big package of it. Thought I'd just show it to you so you can see what you're... I always find it super helpful to see what I'm about to purchase. Check out the quality of it. So you get just a bunch of different little hinge kits inside of here. Open one up here and actually get a look at it. Okay. I'm gonna have to use the knife then. So you get your little pack of screws right here. And then your two different hinges. I can get them. There we go. There's a look at the hinges. And see a bend. There's the hinge function on it. So there's a look at everything you get. Pretty good kit right here.